The DPI610E is our newest addition to the iconic Druck DPI600 series. It has been designed using the latest advances in pressure measurement technology, combined with a range of much-loved and improved features from our legacy Druck DPI605, 610 and 615 units. The DPI610E is available in 4 variants: pneumatic safe area, hydraulic safe area, pneumatic hazardous area, and hydraulic hazardous area. This allows the iconic Druck calibrator to operate across an expanded range from vacuum to 35 bar pneumatic and up to 1000 bar hydraulic for both safe area and hazardous area applications. The DPI610E has an integrated hand pump capable of generating pressure to the device under test, as well as an internal pressure sensor which measures that generated pressure. The electrical ports enable you to measure or source voltage or current to the device under test. There have also been improvements to the user interface and experience. Users can now operate the instrument using a touchscreen or traditional buttons. From the dashboard screen, it can take as little as 3 clicks to completely configure the DPI610E for your next job. And from the Favorites menu, it's even quicker to access regularly used and customized tasks. Regular documented calibration checks ensure field instruments are accurate and reliable, giving you peace of mind with the quality and safety of products and services that you use and rely on day to day. The new Druck DPI610E makes this easy, providing all the features expected in a state-of-the-art pressure calibrator.